Ladakh, an emotion to most of the bikers, a land of high passes, magnificent monasteries, and warm people. It is also one of the most dangerous regions in the world. It all began in the year 2013 when my brand new KTM Duke 200 was delivered to me. As usual, like any other biker, I was living a dream of riding to the highest motorable road on earth. Over a period of 10 years, I've covered close to 1.5 lakh kilometers now. Traveling was always a passion for me, but I never knew that this day would appear where I would be traveling across the country. It's time to explore crisscross of India now. Put off here only. Space ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸಾಕಾ? ಸೆಂಟರ್ ರೋಡ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಹಾಂ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಾ? ಹೌದಾ? ಪೂಜೆ ಸಾಮಾನು ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ. ಆಯಿತು, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೋಗಿ ಎರಡು. Nice. I have to park it here only. Where's my mom? She left her. Let's go. Through ring road we'll go or what?
Yeah, ring road is empty.
Yeah, come, let's go. Why did you tighten so much, dude? I have to fix the light. Leave me with okay.
Amale fix my
Full, it's okay.
I'll fix it there.
Namaste.
Ayya. Put it inside.
Hi.
Ayya. Put it on inside.
Yeah. Okay, no? Hi guys, thanks for coming.
Have to.
Okay. My name is Arjun. Thank you for
Amit.
Thank you for coming. Thanks for coming. My name is Arjun. Thanks for coming, bro. Thank you. Hi Akash.
My Akash.
can. Huh? Where exactly you're talking about? All the except here. Then I'm glad that
Checking all the numbers.
yes.
Don't miss opportunity.
Please take so. Thank you.
I was so happy that at least my co-riders' friends appeared for the flagging off event. The day one's plan was to actually cover at least 1000 kilometers, up to Pune at least, which is around 800, but that did not happen.
Thank you.
Have a safe flight.
Yeah.
On the way before covering 100 kilometers itself, my friend had some issues on his bike. So that was due to the heat exchanger. There was a leakage that was because of a small fall in the city center.
Majestic, no? Huh? Intercom? Yeah.
So this was our day one's plan to ride from Vidansauda to at least Pune. But we managed to cover until Kolhapur. Early morning we couldn't find any Bajaj service stations, so we had to ride until Chitradurga town and then get our vehicle serviced. One thing, we made sure that any of our bikes gets a breakdown, we both were held responsible because that is the commitment we had for each other. It was worth wasting 4 hours of our time, because if this would have happened in any of the deserted places in India, I'm sure it would have been a real disaster for us. We have to cross more 9 states while we were still in Chitradurga, the first state, which is Karnataka, on the first day. Do you really want to know what happened next? Please do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.